Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a park. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends, Sam and Mina. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why does the air smell so fresh after it rains? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Mina, the weather looks great for tomorrow. Do you want to have a picnic?
A picnic? That sounds fun. Where should we go?
How about the big park near the river? They have nice picnic tables there.
Good idea. Let me check the weather on my phone first.
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, it says sunny in the morning. The temperature will be 72 degrees.
72 degrees. That's perfect for a picnic.
Wait, is that warm? I sometimes get confused with Fahrenheit.
Oh, right. In the US, we use Fahrenheit. 72 Fahrenheit is about 22 Celsius.
Oh, so 72 is warm.
Yes, very warm and nice. Most countries use Celsius, but in the US, we use Fahrenheit. So when you hear 72, just think warm and nice.
Okay, I'll remember that. But look at this part. It says there's a 20% chance of rain in the afternoon.
Only 20%? That's nothing. We'll be fine.
Are you sure? Maybe we should bring an umbrella?
No. 20% means it probably won't rain. Trust me.
Okay, if you say so.
You know what I love? The smell after it rains. Do you know why the air smells so fresh after rain?
I don't know actually, but I love that smell too. It's so clean and fresh.
I always wonder about it. Anyway, let's start getting ready. We need sandwiches, water, fruit.
And sunscreen. Don't forget sunscreen.
Good thinking. I'll make the sandwiches.
And I'll get the blanket and the basket. This is going to be a great day.
Here we are. Look at that sky. Not a single cloud.
It's beautiful. So clear and blue.
I can feel a nice breeze, too. Not too strong, just right.
The sunshine feels so warm on my face. What a perfect morning.
I told you, 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect picnic weather.
Hold on. Let me put on some sunscreen first.
Sunscreen? Is the sun that strong today?
Yes, I checked the UV index on the weather app. It's 8 today.
UV index? What's that?
It tells you how strong the sun is. If the number is high, you get a sunburn faster.
Oh, so what does 8 mean?
8 is very high. You can get a sunburn in just 15 minutes without sunscreen.
Wow, really? Even on a day like this? It doesn't feel that hot.
You don't have to feel hot to get a sunburn. The UV can be strong even when the air feels cool.
I didn't know that. Let me use some sunscreen too, please.
Here you go. Put it on your face, neck, and arms.
Thanks. I'll do my ears too. I always forget my ears.
That's smart. Many people forget their ears and they get red.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go find a good spot for our picnic.
The fresh air feels wonderful. I love spring mornings like this.
Me too. Everything looks so green and alive.
Look at those flowers over there, pink and yellow ones.
They're beautiful. Let's ask at the information booth. They might know the best picnic area.
Good idea. I think I can see it right over there.
Excuse me. We're looking for a good picnic spot. Can you help us?
Of course. There's a lovely area by the lake. It has picnic tables and a lot of shade from the big trees.
Shade. That sounds great. The sun is really strong today.
Yes, on sunny days like today, the shade under the trees helps a lot. It's much cooler there.
Nice. And what if it rains? Is there a place we can go?
There's a shelter near the lake too. It has a roof, so you can stay dry if the rain comes.
Perfect. We hope we won't need it, but it's good to know.
That's smart thinking. The weather can change very fast in this season.
Spring weather is like that, right? Always changing?
Oh, yes. In spring, you can have sunshine in the morning and rain by the afternoon. It happens a lot.
I'll keep that in mind. By the way, the park looks really beautiful right now. All the flowers are blooming.
Thank you. This is actually the best time of year to visit. The flowers are all springing up.
Springing up? That's a nice way to say it.
You know, that's where the name of the season comes from.
Really? What do you mean?
We call this season spring because everything springs up from the ground. The plants and flowers grow fast after the cold winter.
Oh, so the season is named after what the plants do.
Yes, the plants spring up, so we call it spring.
Very interesting. I love little facts like that. Can you show me which way to go?
Sure. Follow this path to the left, and you'll see the lake in about 5 minutes. The picnic tables are right next to it.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your picnic. And remember, the shelter is to the right of the lake if you need it.
Got it. Thanks again. This spot is perfect. Look at the view of the lake.
It's so peaceful here, and the shade from the trees is nice, just like she said.
Okay, let's set up. I'll put the blanket down.
And I'll open the basket. We have sandwiches, fruit, juice, and cookies.
That's a lot of food. I'm already hungry.
You're always hungry, Sam.
Hey, that's not true. Only most of the time.
The air feels so warm and soft here. I really love spring.
Is spring your favorite season?
Yes, I love it when the flowers bloom and the days get longer. What about you? What's your favorite season?
Fall. Definitely fall.
Fall? Why?
I love watching the leaves change color. Red, orange, yellow. The trees look so beautiful.
That is really pretty. But wait, why do you say fall? I learned the word autumn in school.
Oh, they mean the same thing. Fall and autumn are the same season.
Really? Then what's the difference between them?
Fall comes from leaves fall from the trees. In the US, people usually say fall, and autumn is more common in the UK.
Oh, that makes sense. Fall is because the leaves fall down. That's so easy to remember.
Right? And you know, each season has its own special feeling. Winter is cold and quiet. The ground is covered in snow.
I like winter too. Hot chocolate, warm blankets, watching snow fall outside the window.
And summer is the opposite. Long, hot days, people go swimming, eat ice cream, and travel.
Summer is fun, but it gets too hot for me sometimes.
So spring is your perfect season.
Exactly. Not too hot, not too cold, new flowers, green grass, and birds singing in the morning.
You really love nature.
I do. That's why this picnic is so wonderful, just sitting outside and enjoying the beautiful weather.
I agree. Pass me a sandwich. I put extra cheese in them.
Sure, here you go.
Hey, Mina, does it feel a little darker to you?
Let me look up. Oh, the sky is really changing. Those clouds are getting bigger.
They look kind of gray. That's very different from this morning.
Yes, When I look over there, the sky is still blue, but over this way, the clouds look dark.
It's getting windy, too. Can you feel that?
Yes, I can. Before, it was just a light breeze. Now the wind is much stronger.
And the air feels cooler now. I'm getting a little chilly.
It really is amazing how fast the weather can change. The lady at the information booth told us about this.
Spring weather changes quickly. She was so right.
Look at those dark gray clouds moving this way. I think it's going to rain, Sam.
No. It was only 20%, remember? The forecast said only 20%.
Sam, just look at the sky. Those clouds are full of water.
How can you tell?
Look at the color. White clouds don't have much water, but dark gray clouds have a lot of water inside. That's why they look so dark. The water blocks the sunlight.
So dark clouds mean rain is coming.
Yes, exactly. And those clouds look very, very dark.
Oh no, I think I just felt a raindrop on my hand.
We need to go now. Do you remember the shelter near the lake?
Yes, but I think there was a small cafe near the park entrance. That might be closer.
You're right. The cafe is closer. Let's go there. Quick, help me pack everything.
Okay. I'll grab the blanket. You take the basket.
Hurry, the rain is starting.
Maybe soon we'll get to smell that fresh air after the rain.
Always thinking about the smell. Come on, let's run. Excuse me, can we come inside? It's raining really hard out there.
Of course, come in. You two look pretty wet.
Yes, we didn't bring an umbrella. My friend is right behind me.
No worries, it happens a lot here. The weather was so nice this morning.
It was perfect, and then the sky got dark so fast and the rain just started.
Spring is like that. It always does this. Would you like something warm to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have 2 hot chocolates? One for me and one for my friend.
Of course, I'll make them now. You know, the rain started as just a drizzle a few minutes ago, but now look outside. It's really pouring.
Drizzle and pouring. Those are both words for rain?
Yes, English has many words for rain. A drizzle is very light rain, small, gentle drops. You can walk in a drizzle and not get too wet.
Oh, like a mist.
Yes, something like that. And rain is the normal kind. Not too heavy, not too light.
And what about heavy rain?
Heavy rain is stronger, bigger drops, and you need an umbrella for sure.
And pouring?
Pouring is the strongest. It's like someone is pouring water from a very big bucket in the sky.
A bucket in the sky. So right now it's pouring?
Look out the window and tell me.
Oh, wow, yes, it's pouring. I almost can't see the trees from here.
Did you hear that just now?
What was that loud sound?
That was thunder.
Thunder?
Yes, when you see a bright light in the sky, that's lightning, and the loud sound after it is thunder.
Oh, so lightning is the light and thunder is the sound?
Exactly. Here are your hot chocolates, nice and warm.
Thank you so much. This is just what we need right now.
Don't worry, these spring storms usually don't last long. It will stop soon.
I hope so. Thank you.
Mina, look, the rain stopped.
You're right. And the sun is coming back out.
Let's go outside. I want to see the park after the rain.
Okay. Oh, look at the ground. There are puddles everywhere.
The park looks so different now. Everything is wet and shiny.
Be careful. Don't step in that big puddle.
Oops, too late. My shoe is all wet now.
I just told you to be careful.
It's okay. Hey, look up at the sky.
Oh, is that a rainbow?
Yes. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Look at all those colors.
It's so beautiful. You need both rain and sunshine for a rainbow. That's why they show up right after the rain stops.
The rain and the sun work together. That's amazing.
Oh, Sam, take a deep breath.
Oh, wow. That smell. That fresh, clean smell. This is what I was talking about this morning.
Yes, it's wonderful.
So do you know why the air smells so good after rain?
I think I do. When rain hits dry ground, the ground lets out a special smell.
The smell comes from the ground, not from the rain.
That's right. It's not the rain, it's the ground. When raindrops hit dry ground, something inside the ground goes up into the air.
And that's what we smell?
Yes, and the smell is stronger when the ground is very dry. That's why it smells so brick-today.
So the ground makes the smell, not the rain. I always thought it was the rain.
And you learned something about umbrellas too, right?
Yes. Next time, even if the forecast says 20% chance of rain, I'm bringing an umbrella.
What happened to 20% is nothing.
I was wrong. Today taught me a lesson.
But the rain made today special. Hot chocolate, a rainbow, and we learned why the ground smells so good after rain.
You're right. A little rain is not so bad.
Should we come back next weekend?
Sure, but I'm bringing an umbrella.
Deal.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why does the air smell so fresh after it rains? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.